Perfectly imperfect. For this SMDC date night, nakasama ko ang fellow coach ko sa The Voice Philippines, si Coach Bamboo. It has been a while since we last attended an event together, kaya naman, I was really looking forward to singing with him again. Iba talaga si Coach Bamboo. Nakakabilib at nakaka-inspire.
Thank you! Hope you guys enjoyed that? Okay. I'm gonna pour excited na po ako. Everyone, please welcome back on stage, the Rock Maestro.
Iba yung vibe ng audience ngayon. Medyo wumawad ang mga tao. Rock and roll talaga. So, that's what makes it different.
For this date night, nagkaroon kami ng duet ni Coach Bamboo, yung Englishman in New York. Second time na namin gawin yung song na yon. Sabi niya nga, we mirror each other. Yun ang sabi niya eh. Like sa dalawang actors, di ba? You draw your energy and yung performance na maganda, kukunin mo yun sa co-actor mo. So, ganun siya ka-duet. Ang laki ng contribution niya para magbigay ka rin. Nagbibigay siya, magbibigay ka rin. Ganun.
Yung duet nila, so very chill lang. So nag-enjoy din ako nun. So very happy.
Ay, the best po talaga kasi talagang as in lahat ng performance nila pinapanood ko. Tapos, ayun, nakita ko sila ng live ngayon. Parang sobrang, parang...
Ng energy, ang taas ng energy and having the two of them together, syempre, makes it much more special. Ang lakas ng dating talaga nilang dalawa together. I mean, separately, they're very, very good, and then together, they're also just really amazing.
Memorable eh. Nagiging sobrang extra special yung experience every time na katabi mo si Mr. Bamboo Nanyalak. Talagang hindi ko akalain na magbibigyan ako ng pagkakataon to share the same stage with him.
Sobrang ikli pero sobrang sulit. I mean, sobrang salamat sa SM dahil nga dinala nila si Sarah and si Bamboo.
Hello guys! Kakatapos lang po ng performance ko po dito sa SMDC Grand Showroom. Maraming salamat po sa SMDC para po sa pag-invite sa akin na mag-perform ngayong gabi. And of course, sa lahat po ng dumalo. Ayan. Thank you sa lahat ng clients. Bye-bye!
God is really good. I can't thank Him enough for giving me so many blessings, like my talent in singing and performing. Because of it, nagkakaroon ako ng mga opportunities para makapagpasaya ng mga tao at makatulong na rin. I hope I'd be able to keep doing that. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Till my next entry, much love, Sarah.